Good morning guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be restoring the guards and the bumpers on the Jeep JK Unlimited, also known as Betty White. Now have you guys ever owned a Jeep before? No matter what it is, for some reason the plastic just don't hold up no matter what you do. Like people have used heat guns to try and restore them, either paint them, wrap the line them, whatever it might be, but they just keep going to that faded look like this bumper here. Now it just looks so bad. It makes the Jeep look old, it makes it look tacky no matter what you do. Now there's a lot of products out there and I've tried them before and they kind of last like 2 to 3 months. So today we're going to be trying the new Bowdens Zone Mr. Black. Now Bowdens Zone is an Australian made company and they've spent the last 3 years perfecting this product. I've seen them kind of go over a few things over the years, kind of watching them develop it, and it's going to be insane. Now they've used it on bumpers, left it out in the rain, left it out in the hail, shine. Like Australian summer is brutal, and it absolutely just destroys plastics on all trims. Now let me know what you guys have done in the past to try and restore these trims, because I guarantee you it's not going to be anything like Mr. Black. Now it's got the name Mr. Black, it must be good. So in the kit they pretty much give you everything you need. So the black box will contain Mr. Black, the black trim restorer, a prepping spray, 2 pads, one I already used because I kind of did it the other side, and gloves as well. Just be mindful if you are using this product, wear black clothes or something dark, because once this goes black it stays black, and you can wipe it off like your paint. We'll get to that a little bit later when we are doing the bumper, but it's easy enough to wipe off before it sets. Now also be mindful, this product will take 12 hours to set, so don't get it wet while it's trying to cure. Also do it in a shaded spot, not in direct sunlight. So in the pack it gives you everything you need. It also gives you, so I said before, it gives you like these cool sponges to do the flat areas, but also these little brushes to get into these tight little areas. I'll show you in a second what I mean with like the lights and stuff like that. If you've got uncured paint, I'd recommend kind of masking stuff off. If not, just wipe it off after you're done before it actually cures. So I want to set you guys up on tripod. We're going to go and prep the surface with the flash prep. Then inside the box is dark deeds, I think they're called, which is also just like a drying cloth to help prep the surface for Mr. Black. So I'll chuck you guys on the tripod and you'll see how insane this product is. So we've got our faded black plastic here. We've got our black deeds cleaning cloth, which is really handy. It's so handy they give you all this in the kit. Now this whole kit from Supercheap Auto is $85, which is totally worth the price when you see how insanely this actually cleans it up. So we'll shake that up, flash prep, a few quick sprays. Now this will remove any kind of sealants or anything you got on there, so the Mr. Black has something to actually bond to, sorry. Give that a quick wipe down. Also do this on a clean car. Clean the car before. I cleaned my car yesterday in preparation for this, but clean surface is always good. But this is why I use this flash prep as well. Try and get into all those nooks and crannies. For some reason these guys make the best smelling car key products I have ever smelt in my entire life. So I'll be doing these guards as well, the mud guards. If you guys got anything to add in the comments at any time, please leave it in the comments below. So it dries really fast, which is great, so you can actually get onto what you're supposed to be doing. So you can see that it's already drying. It was quite dark before and it's actually drying back to its faded dull colour. So I'll pop that back in the box. So as I said before, they give you 2 pairs of gloves. One is the orange one for the flash prep, which I didn't really bother using, and I recommend wearing gloves because this Mr. Black will actually stain your skin. So we'll wait for that to dry, and you got your Mr. Black bottle there. We'll grab the first kind of like flat applicator pad. Now the other one is kind of just like to even it out. So you've got one that you'll use to do the flat surfaces, and the other one is to even it out. So I was recommended that less is more. You don't want to oversaturate the pad. Too much product on there, it won't actually make it any darker. It will just end up creating more work for yourself. So what we'll do is just a few little blotches on there. 1, 2, 3. Close that up. And watch this. And if you need to, just add a little bit more. Just be mindful, don't add too much, as I said before. And you can actually push it underneath those guards. But as I said, that little brush they give you in the pack is perfect for underneath these guards and those small to reach areas that we'll get to shortly. So it's probably a little bit hard to see on the camera. So what I'll do, so as I said, you've got a second applicator pad, so you can use that one to kind of even out the surface. Got a little bit black on the body there. Even out the surface just a little bit. And when you're doing it, you want to go an overlapping motion of what you've already done, so you get a nice even coat, nice even finish. So what I'll do to show how good this product actually is, section so we can actually see what we're doing and how good this product actually is. Alright, now as I said, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, you can see there's a small gap just underneath the fender here. I don't know why Jeep did that, but that's a perfect opportunity to use this little brush. Not sure what this brush is called. It might say on the box. It is a application foam brush for tight areas, so we'll just add a little bit to the tip. As again, don't try and oversaturate the brush. And because that guard actually inlays quite a bit, we'll put that actually on the flat area there. 1, 2, and that way we can make a nice even finish. So an uneven section I did just there, so that's what the second applicator pad's for. Make it nice and even and smooth. So it's pretty hard for you guys to see back there, but that's pretty much done. Nice even finish. Then we can get back to doing this finished guard and we can see the different, oh, you can already see the difference in that. Absolutely insane. Alright, now we can get our applicator pad again and start finishing off this bumper. Alright, so I've just finished doing this section here. You can see that difference, absolutely insane, and also the mud flap down there. Now no special tricks, no heat guns, nothing, just the flash prep and the Mr. Black. So let's remove this tape, you can see the difference. Wow, Like, that is insane. Also do the same for the mud flip as well. Look at that. Wow. Oh, like, I don't know if anybody else that gets excited over this, but like having just something so simple, something so much cleaner, can just change the appearance of your Jeep in a massive way, especially if you're trying to sell it or you're looking at making a bit more money. If someone's come to look at your Jeep before you're about to buy it, something, why would you want to buy something like that when you buy something like that? Like, that's insane. 85 bucks, mate. Like, that is crazy price for that. Look at that. That is insane. Man, these guys have killed it with this product. Now, I've tried other products before, and you kind of get not as good a look first up, and it doesn't last as long as well. And these guys have done multiple tests on it, trying to use different products. They're trying to fade it and try and get rid of it, and they can't. Like, that is insane. Look at that. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that is insane. So I'm just going to put you guys back on the tripod. I'm going to finish off the rest of the bumper, and then we can see the final result afterwards. Okay guys, just before we finish up, you'll notice just in these small gaps here, you can still see it's a little bit faded, and that's what this little buddy here is for. So just smash a few drops on that tip, nothing insane. You don't want to oversaturate the pad, as I said before, and this is perfect. We're just pushing straight inside those little gaps. I don't know how well you guys can see that on camera, but we actually just push that foam applicator straight into those gaps and get into those little nooks and crannies. Man, the company who did this, Bowdens, really thinks of everything. So if you've got a bumper or something that's got like lots of little nooks and crannies, this little application pad is perfect. Absolutely insane. Now this doesn't take long, guys. Like, I've done this bumper with filming. Now, as I see, it doesn't take long, guys. I probably did that whole bumper in about 45 minutes, and it just comes up absolutely insane. Wow. Like, that is a night and day difference. I'd highly recommend buying this product, guys, if you guys got faded plastics and bumpers. Now, it will be interesting because a lot of hard tops do fade, especially on TJs. The top of the JK is faded, so is the roof rack, which is black, and the plastics on there, on their wipers and stuff like that. So I may do like maybe one of the Freedom panels during the week and see how that comes up. So that might be in a following video. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Like, this is absolutely insane. Like, these guys did a killer product. I highly recommend this product. For the price, $85, you guys can't go wrong. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys like this video, and check out these guys' products. You guys won't be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.